Welcome back, gentlemen, to the Bitcoin market update. Today is November 21st, 2019. What a day it has been. Bitcoin selling off right here, not looking too good. I want to start out with the price, $7,648 currently on BTC USD on the 1 day for Coinbase. Now, we're still below the 3-day moving average, still below the 9, below the 50, and below the 20, below the 200, below the Kumo cloud. And we've just nailed support, so that we're really far down. I did calculate some possible bounces. If this area right here is your bottom, if that's the bottom for now, I would love to see it bounce to the upside just for a little bit. And I thought maybe some possible targets could be 8,120, 8,540, or 8,667, what I think would be your ultimate top. If we were to get a bounce, I think that's kind of where my targets would be before it heads lower. All right. Right now I'm staying in cash again one more night. I think what we had before is when we had our last big hard sell-off, we had basically a doji down here, and I think we're going to get one here too. So I'm staying in cash. Also, too, these purple lines right here heading across are areas that I think we're probably going to be playing in for a while, possibly to the upside and then back down again. And that being said, I think, this makes this probably the ultimate target for me, but it is possible to even go a little higher, maybe even as a flash up and then back down. But we'll really have to wait and see. Right now, I'm holding cash. We'll see what happens moving forward. But so far, the trading has been excellent. This day right here is when I got out. It was 30th of October. I was looking for a possible re-entry on the 9, but it looked rather weak. We started going higher. I thought maybe I had shot myself in the foot, and then we finally got some reversal to the downside, which relieved a lot of my anxiety. One of the reasons why I held firm in selling here was because of my target number 1 was achieved. Basically right here with closing on this wick right here, almost dead center. So that target was good. And as we moved over this way, it was this candle here that finally made me have after that made me have a little bit of relief, knowing that we were probably heading down after that. Okay, so BTC USD 7,652. Stay out of it. LTC USD on the 1 day for Coinbase is $50.94. We have reached about the middle of our support area right here, which is really good. We have a 786 pullback. That's one of my targets there. It's been pulling back pretty hard. This is starting to set like a area of support right here. It just doesn't seem to want to go any lower. So I'm leaving this here until something else happens. But right now I would hold cash against Litecoin until we get some firm confirmation of a reversal. Okay, ETH USD is at 161.99. Also stay in cash. I would stay out of this until we at least get up to closer to the 9. But currently that's at 173. So I don't have any ambitions to get in this right away. We'll see how the day plays out. Let's see about a new one here. For the Love of Crypto loves to talk about XRP. I think he's a really great channel. If you guys get a chance to go watch him, he's really excellent. There's interesting things going on with XRP, and I won't say I hate it. I'm just gonna say that it's not my favorite coin, but it's not my least favorite coin either, and I am happy to trade it because of its liquidity. I love. I don't mind getting into this, so thought I would just give a shout out to him and say, hey man, let's check out your chart. Right now, this was the last day I would say to be in XRP was 18th of October. And it did go a little higher, especially on these days over here. But that never concerns me that it goes a little higher, because we know there's probably more downside to come. This could possibly be a bottom here. Could. I say could. But I'm not saying to get into it yet. I'm just saying let's watch this and see how it plays out. We are getting a little bit of down pressure here. Let me pull up the volume indicator and add that in real quick. I believe charts are interactive, so you need to play them, right? So we're getting down pressure here with volume, a lot of push to sell, major push to sell on this one, as a matter of fact, with this reversal. This is creating a trend. It's really highly visible, easy to see that we're getting this downtrend here. Now, will this support hold? I certainly hope it does. And if we need to see a bottoming pattern and then it start to reverse before we actually enter the trade. Remember, the trend is your friend, and don't go against the trend when trading. It's too dangerous. So let's just see where this little trend is going to take us. Is it going to take us a long way down, or is it just going to kind of, slow down a little bit here and then try to make another run at being above the Kumo cloud? That's a possibility. Anyway, all right, let's jump in. Total market cap is at $202 billion. We are getting a lot of down pressure here. I would say stay out of it for now. Oh, there's nothing to be in on this. But total market 2 is at 63 billion and also has a lot of down pressure at being below the Kumo cloud. BTC dominance is at 68.4. We've been basically just trading sideways. I didn't think this was a good enough lift to, really make much of a difference. It's more just kind of a pause on the downtrend. It's not a real reversal yet. Others dominance is at 6.01. I thought this was the top. Now we have got a little bit of continuation as far as price, but volume is really starting to curl over. So it's possible it could push higher. That's definitely a real sign. I thought that this was when it was going to go real bullish. It did. And now I thought this would be kind of the beginning of a topping pattern right here. So we are resting above that 200-day moving average, which I really love. I love that we're above the 20-day and the 50 and the Kumo cloud. Things are looking strong for other market caps besides Bitcoin. Other than my volume on the top, we got to get some upside lift here. All right, guys, that's it for today. God bless you. I hope your trading is going super well. If you're not trading and you're hodling, then understand that is a choice that you've made, and to not get discouraged about price in the present. Always keep your mind, if you're a hodler, keep your mind on that goal way out into the future, and we don't know when it'll be, but I'm pretty sure that you will be rewarded. All right, talk to you soon, guys. See you in the group. God bless you. I'm out of here.